Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam game patching games for too long. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, start by opening the Task Manager on your PC. If you're using Windows, simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete at the same time. A menu will appear. Select Task Manager from it. Once it opens, you'll see a list of programs currently running on your system. Find Steam in that list. Click on it to highlight it, then click End Task to completely close it. This ensures that any background processes causing the patching delay are fully stopped. After closing Steam, go ahead and reopen it, then log back into your account. Once you're logged back in, click on the Steam menu at the top left and go to Settings. Inside the Settings window, navigate to the Downloads section. Here, you'll find an option called Clear Download Cache and click on it. This helps remove any corrupted or incomplete files that may be causing the patching to hang or slow down. Next, head to your library where all your games are listed. Locate the game that's having patching issues, right-click on it, and choose Properties. From there, go to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks every game file against Steam's original data and replaces any damaged or missing ones. It's one of the most reliable ways to fix patching errors. Finally, once the verification process finishes, restart Steam one last time. This ensures that all changes take effect and helps Steam refresh its update system. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Steam game patching games for too long. So that's all for this video. Thanks.